going to warn you. There's a great danger.
Welcome back to a new video. Today we're playing. I hate remote and we're going to beat the whole game. And our friends are looking for play Felix and Shadow. No, shoot him! Shoot him! Shadow! No! No, you
I
don't!
can't believe you guys didn't die. That creature has been held captive for 50 years.
Let's shoot him. Yeah, he dead now. No, he's angry now. Nah, no way. Flames angry now.
Nobody get up more angry than me.
The Barbar Chacha piece came. Dead. Dead. No, no, no. Felix, I will save you. Come on, let's go. I can't buy anything. Come on, let's go.
Do you know Arhan?
What?
I need prodigy. I am that killer.
You are prodigy? I am prodigy.
Don't give us someone to have power.
Oh, let's go. I got this. I got a thing. I got a belt. I will kill him. Hello. I will kill a flute. I will dance and I will go. Come on, let's go. Bro, where are you? Where are you, boy? One gone past. But Pata P, I'm coming. Okay, let's go. Bro, this is so easy.
Yeah, wait.
We locking in. One dead. But no dead. But Pata P. Let's go.
I take the power and I'm going to go and kill you.
Okay, let's go. Get away. Okay. Let me get the stuff. Yeah. Guys, did we tell our real names? Shadow is Divyan. Felix. Okay, he's a crybaby.
Something here
His name is Crybaby, guys.
us, and it's getting smarter by the minute.
No. What's his name? You already told his name. Felix already said my name. But oh no!
Don't fight him. Listen. He's coming.
Let's see. What will I get? I got. Look at my gun. Look. It's so insane.
Look at my hand.
Yeah, double. No, did we take? Yes, ready.
Sir.
I'm gonna jump. Normal or hard?
Dangerous.
Dangerous. Let's go.
We are going this one.
We're going to. No, we're not. Oh, we gotta beat these guys. No, we saw who we are. We are happy.
Please off my phone.
No. Oh, no. You are bad kid.
What the fuck?
Where are you? I will connect you. No, that's too much. No. Get away, you thinking. Bro, I'm gonna die. My health is very low. My health is very low. I got a rocket launcher.
This is a certified hood classic.
Certified hood classic. No, I'm gonna run away. I'm Let me butterfly kick. You guys go. Me scared. Okay, I will save you, Flames. Guys, Flames is not in the call. No, 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 no. Run! Guys, I'm gonna die. I have 38 HP. You noob. Bro, I fought the most. You go, guys. Go fight. Tell me when done. Go, 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 guys. I'm just gonna translate. Let me down, let me down, let me down. But you think it out, Scooty. I need help. Bro, we have a boss fight and I need help. Bro. I have 88 health. Oh, I will buy more health this time. Do not know.
What hell? What should I buy? I'm 24. Hell yeah.
I have 70. I will buy keys.
I bought them already.
Bro, you guys go. Me scared. Sasiba ka? Bet. Hiya! Die, you little piece of shit! No! Then go to bed. Oh, my aim! My aim! My health is such. Let's buy some food. Oi. I actually got a freaking mini gun. With saw blade. You got a chainsaw. Should we choose dangerous?
I'm just changing.
Me too. We are not weakling. We are strongling.
The mushroom growth wasn't
Everybody.
natural. It started after they chemically altered the rain rash.
What the?
No. What you guys are scared. I will look at mushroom. Now me go fight. Yeah. Oh shit. Now I will camp. I will kill you, the cappuccino. You do not kill my friend. Kill my good friend. Body map of Oh no. I'm dead. Sorry. I'm Can you start another game? Bro, Shadow, you died.
Yeah.
Bro, let's start a new game. Play again. This time, we will choose normal, bro. It was too hard for real. Okay, guys, just for you. We will take the ninja part. The ninja part. Hello, 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 Felix. Hello. Let's go first. We choose easy mode this time because everyone died. No, I don't have any killing now. I'm sad. Get out of you don't suck. You stupid. Let's go. Give me the banana. I got a toilet paper. What will I do with the toilet paper? Not better. Let me cook. Let me cook. Let me cook. Boy, get you. Get your stupid ass out of here. But let's go. Where are you? I can't see you. I can't see you. I will kill you with my toilet roll. Come. I will kill you with the toilet roll. Yum. Let's go to one. Two birds, but pass a pee. This is gonna be the third one. Get out. Key required. I had keys, but now I don't. You took the power. Let's go. You had keys. Oh no! No way! I got this. Look at my gun now. It is futuristic. Radioactive ammo. Now I fight. No! I'm stuck. Get your tum out of here. Now we can.
You see, this facility thought they could profit from creating brain rots.
Now we can. After this, all of us will get our doggy back. Yeah. What? You know what? I bet. You know what? Let me cook. Not me. I'm me. Idiot. That's it. Mama, let me. No. Why am I doing all the damage? Come on, Tung, you don't have the guts. I killed Tung. I got
This is a certified hood classic.
a certified hood classic. I am a hood stud. Now I will dance in the hood. Dangerous or normal? Bro, we're gonna die, you know that, right?
Ah,
We're gonna lose, bro. You know what? No, I'm a knocking now. I'm a dance.
Systems meant to control
You know what?
them.
You
Now
stand
they
stand normally, Phoenix. I dance on you. You know what? Bet. Okay, that was fun. You do not hit my friend. But I do hate. Dun. Oh my god, Ratatouille! I found the Ratatouille. No, Felix! No, that's my friend! My friend!
Cappuccino assassino.
Oi! Get away! No! You little... Let's go to treasure room. Thank you for saving me. No way I got such a good thing. Kelvin's Nemesis. I'm a Nemesis. That's a certified gold classic. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Bro, where are you guys? No, I'm gonna die, please. Please,
Cappuccino
please.
assassino. Cappuccino assassino. Cappuccino assassino.
No! Michael Jackson. Michael Lal Jackson. Bro, I'm so scared. I'm not going this time. You guys go. Go. You open the treasure.
Cappuccino assassino. Cappuccino assassino. Cappuccino
How,
assassino.
how many cubes do you have? How many
Cappuccino
cubes do
assassino.
you have?
Cappuccino assassino.
Okay.
Coming.
Bro, I do 250. What do you mean? Go! Bro, I will buy a gun after this, a better gun.
The facility lost control of the brain rots here.
Snobby.
We got it back.
What?
Who created Snobby?
What? Do you like it or hate it? I have content. I got max health. Nobody can enter. No, 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 no.
Cappuccino assassino.
What is you small little butt out of here?
Cappuccino assassino.
Gonna kill me, try to. Weakling. I bear. Come. Put back up, please. That was too easy, bro. I have max health. What's the N-lock grip? No, that sounds weird.
Like that.
Bro, my gun is better. Look. Now I've stabbed you. Then
Dangerous.
we danger now. Danger. I'm a danger kid. You stay away from me, or else I eat you.
Eating this one now.
Bro, no, we only have we can't make a big video.
Why who can make a big video?
But will anybody watch it? But too easy. Hello. No, the three picture का बूढ़ वालों ना. बच्ची. What? Medium speed boost. No, I need it. Come on, let's go. Let me order fun. Bro, come help me.
Cappuccino assassino.
Look, let me receive me order for me. You little rascal.
This room. What do you call that treasure room?
W shadow.
W shadow room. W shadow.
No, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm actually dead. You little capsicum. That was one shot.
Already took.
Okay, I will not, or else I will die. Then you all are. I got a muzzle choke.
I got the rubber chicken.
Rubber duck. That's called a rubber duck. I have very less health. But we have boss fight now.
I have to catch you.
I will buy HPs.
They pushed brain rot experimentation further. The mushrooms came with it.
Wanna kill someone. Is that the bot? I have 49. I'm buying the speed boost.
49. I have 30. And now I buy this. W. I have a speed boost. Piece of Cola. No. Oh my god, that was so much damage. Get out.
Cappuccino assassino. Cappuccino assassino. Fritti troppo.
No, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill the mega heat sock. My gola. Now we have Gamma Ramam. I got goo mushrooms. Bro, goo means goo. Bro, why is it blue now? Hard. Guys, we are doing this for you. But the Gamma Rama will be very hard in the dangerous mode. Now we will fight somebody, then we will fight Gamma Rama, then get a doggy back. A doggy. Then we will have fun with a doggy. We will play with a doggy. We will move with a doggy. We will. Bro, this Chiquilitaria thing is a bomb. Now I go. I just wait. Bro, why is Shadow going alone? Bro, this is a W trap. You little cockroaches! What the heck is this? Angels
The
calling.
certified hood classic.
No, bro, I need to get the now.
I can't, I have 30 health. Bomba class. How much health do you have? How much health do you have, Felix?
Cappuccino assassino. Bombardino crocodilo.
Okay, W. Wait, what's that room? Shopping cart room. We have the Gamanam. We have to beat the Gamanam. The Ganamam. I will buy health. If there is any health, I will buy health. Guys, let me come in 1 minute. Guys, I am back. My mom was saying to stop playing because I've played a lot. You go kill him. I'm just gonna dance. I'm a dance. I have came into the fighting team. You leave my friend alone.
Trippi troppo. Trippi troppo.
No way. Idiot. Little Gamalamam. Garamagam. You know what? Come. I am doing this for my dude. Come. Try to beat me. You try to beat me. I can't teabag you in this game or else if W guys beat it. I hope I get banana. Oh, W. Bro, I couldn't get my weapon, you idiot. Dangerous.
I'm gonna leave this. I'm gonna leave after this.
Bro, let us finish. I also no. Who took normal?
This area belongs to the brain rots. They've transformed this part of the facility into some kind of living
Shoot him.
organism.
Bro, I wanted my freaking hammer. Oh, it's right here. What did I take? I got a thing to stab. Bro, should we go? Bro, chimpanzee bananas. No, what is Madhulkam doing? Guys, come. Let's go to the treasure room. No way, I got this. I got a legendary weapon. W. That's a certified good classic. Bro, where do we go? Come here, come here. Come, I do 400 damage. I almost died. I only have 102 HP. What? How it hit me? No one back me. What? What did he do? He put. Sir! Come on, let's go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Ballerina Cappuccina.
Triptitro.
Let me go. No. Do they have grenades or something?
Triptitro.
Bro, I need your help, Shadow. Come.
Triptitro.
Come, come. Guys, after these games, we got a go get our dog. You go. No, Shadow, you go. Camera.
How much time is it? I'm on 10 HP. I'm not gonna fight.
Okay, don't. We're gonna get a dog.
The
Yes!
last time a human made it to this stage alive was back in 1982. It didn't end well for them.
Bro, we have to win. Reload. I gotta get health.
Me too. Get aside. I want my help.
Get this. 20 plus. Who do we have now? Bro, the guys go with the most health. The ultimate weapon. It hit me until over here. No. What the heck is this? No, it's still hitting me. Oh my god, that's so hard. No. I'm gonna die. Let me go over here. Come. Good thing we didn't take hard. Bro, I have 46 HP. I'm almost dead. We gotta kill the ultimate weapon. Target him. No! 6, 7, get out! 8, 11. No, I'm dead! I'm dead! No, I'm dead! No! We gotta kill him! Come on! Let's kill him! Now I gotta run away. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Stay away, stay away! No, we're gonna die, guys, on this one. No, I'm dead! Bro! Shadow, please! Shadow, please! We need this! Kill him! Jump! Run! Sprint! Bro, you have 2 HP, please! Run away, please! Keep on running, he's
run away. Run away.
Yeah, shoot and run away, please. I know. You please, no run. Keep on running. Keep on running. Keep on shooting him. Run. Look at me, all of army in the air. Oh no, bro, this is so.
Here, open can.
No. Bro, let's end the video. Bye everyone. Wow.